Hi, the purpose of this video is to show the measuring, ID coordinate, and setting out and navigation tools within CARTIGU. Now, here we have CARTIGU running, and we have a GPS position on the screen. Now, we have also a few points. Now, under Edit, we have the measuring tool, which is here. This contains all the functionality for working with coordinates, for figuring out what is where and so forth. So, for example, if I click on it once, and now if I go to the screen and I click two random points, it will draw a line between them and show me the distance of that line. Now, if there had been a coordinate or something there, it would have snapped to it, and it would have actually drawn a little circle around the end to show that it had found something nearby and snapped to it. Now this distance will stay on the screen until I get rid of it by pressing the button again. Okay, so now if I want to do it between two existing points, I'll click on this point and I'll click on that point, and now it's actually drawn a very small red circle around the point to show that it's snapped, and it shows me the distance between them. Okay, let's get rid of that. Now let's do it again, but this time what I'm interested in finding out is the coordinate of one of these points. So I'll choose this one up here, and I'll click on it twice. By clicking twice, it then gives me the coordinates of that position. Now you'll notice at the moment the GPS is running in the local grid system. In this particular case, it's Ordnance Survey Grid. But if you were running in latitude, longitude, that would have come up there instead. So you can always tell by looking at the bottom of the screen, which shows you the GPS coordinate. So it will be the same. Okay, so we have a coordinate on the screen. We also have a button down here on the bottom saying Navigate to. That's if I want to navigate to that position or set out to it. If I click on that, what it will do is it will draw a circle around that point and show me the distance to that point. And now I just walk in to find it. Now if I'm in this particular case, both points are on the screen, so it draws the circle. Now if I were zoomed in a little closer, so let's zoom in a bit closer to my GPS position. Now what it's doing me is it's showing me an arrow in the direction of the point that I'm trying to navigate to. Okay. Now, what also can happen frequently, and this will continue again until I press the button again. Right, that's over. Now let's say I'm at my GPS position. I'll move it to the center of the screen. And I want to set out or navigate to a point that is way off the screen. I could always zoom out and find it, but another method is if I click on the tool again and I just click someplace on the screen, and it shows me the distance to that particular position. It hasn't snapped though. I also have up here a database button. Now if I click on that, that will give me all of the, in this case it's survey points, in the drawing so far. So let's say I want to select the second one. Okay, and then navigate to, and there we go. And that's actually pointing at the second of the coordinates. So if I zoom out, you'll see that. Yeah, there we go. And that's how you do navigation and setting out.